Students, today we are discussing chapter number 8, exercise 8a of class 7th, that is algebraic expressions. So we start question number 1, that is add following algebraic expressions. So start part 1 of this. We are adding 2a plus 3b into 4a plus 7b. Whenever we are applying any algebraic operation, we add or subtract like or similar terms. Like terms are the terms having same variables. So like terms are, these are like terms because they have same variable, and these are also like terms because they are same variable. So start adding. We start from here. This is 7b and this is 3b. Both are adding. 7 plus 3 is equal to 10b. Here is 2a plus 4a. Both are adding. When there is no sign here, we consider it positive sign. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6a. In part 2, 3a minus 4b is adding in 2a plus 5b. This is plus and this is with minus sign. Plus minus, when there is one plus sign, one negative sign, we apply subtraction. And in subtraction, we result here sign that is with larger value. So there is 5 minus 4, 1b. You don't need to write 1 here with b, just we write b. b mean 1b obviously. This is 3 plus 2 is equal to 5a. Now here 6b minus 7b, these are with opposite terms, opposite signs. When these are opposite signs, we apply subtraction and sign will be of larger value. 7 minus 6 is 1, but due to this minus there will be minus. 3a plus a is equal to 4a. Now in question number 4, minus a minus 4b is adding in 3a plus b. There is minus 4b and this is plus b. These are with opposite signs. When opposite signs, we apply subtraction. Minus 4 and this is plus 1. 4 minus 1 is 3, but sign will be of larger value. Larger value 4 is with minus sign. And minus a plus 3a. 3a minus a will becomes 2a because there are these terms with opposite sign. When opposite signs, we apply just subtraction. In fifth part, x square plus 5y is adding in minus 3x square minus 2y. Now here this is plus, this is with minus sign, opposite terms, opposite signs. So apply subtraction. 5 minus 2 is 3. Sign will be positive because with larger value there is positive sign. Minus 3x square plus x square. Minus sign plus sign, opposite terms. When opposite terms, we apply subtraction. So 3 minus 1 is equal to 2, but due to this minus, we apply here minus sign. In question number 6, minus 3a square minus 5ab plus 2b square is adding in 7a square plus 2ab minus b square. Now start adding similar terms. This is plus 2b square, this is minus 1b square. These are terms with opposite signs, so apply subtraction here. 2 minus 1 is 1, so write here just b square, and sign will be positive due to this sign with larger value. There is minus 5ab plus 2ab are with opposite signs, so apply subtraction. 5 minus 2 is 3ab, but due to this minus with larger value, we write minus in this answer. Here is minus 3a square plus 7a square plus minus minus, so 7 minus 3 is 4. Due to this sign, there with 7 positive value, larger value with positive sign, so write here positive sign. Now question number 7 of this. 4xy minus 8 is adding in xy plus 6. So this is with minus sign, this is with plus sign. Plus minus will be minus, so subtract 8 minus 6 2, but with due to this larger negative value, we write here minus 2. And this is 4xy plus xy, 4 and 1 will become 5xy. Now in question number 8 of this part, minus 3 plus 7 minus 2. Now here, first of all, when two similar signs we add, when there are two similar signs, this is minus 3, this is minus 2. Both are with similar signs, so add these two. But when we add two negative terms, we got answer in negative sign. So minus 3 minus 2 will become minus 5, and this 7 with positive sign and minus 5 will give 2. 7 minus 5 is 2. Similarly here 6a positive, 4a positive. 6 plus 4, 10 minus 3a will become 7a. Here 3a square plus 2a square. 3 plus 2, 5a square minus this 4a square. 5 minus 4 is 1. So write here just a square. In next 9th part of this, adding 2a square minus 3ab plus 4b square into minus 7a square plus 5ab minus 3b square into minus 3a square plus 4ab minus 5b square. So start adding similar terms here, minus 5b square and minus 3b square. Both are with negative sign, with similar sign. So we will add both these terms, but answer will be with negative. Minus 5 minus 3 will give minus 8 and minus 8 plus 4. Plus minus minus, and due to minus 8 answer will be minus 4b square, because with 8 is larger value and there is negative sign with 8. Here 5 plus 4 9 and 9 minus 3 will become 6ab. Here 2a square minus 7a square minus 3a square. Now in these two terms with minus sign, so we will add because both have similar signs. 7 and 3 will become 10, but due to minus this will become minus 10a square. Minus 10a square and plus this 2a square. Minus 10 plus 2 is equal to minus 8. So we write here minus 8a square. See next part, question number 10. Minus 5x square plus 6xy minus 8y square is adding in 2x square plus 7xy plus 3y square into minus x square minus 3xy minus 4y square. Start adding similar terms. Here minus 8 and minus 4 will become minus 12, and minus 12 plus 3 is equal to minus 9. 6 plus 7, 13. 13 minus 3, 10. Minus 5, minus 1, minus 6, and minus 6 plus 2, minus 4. So this is our required answer. Next, question number 11 of this part. Adding 3 terms, 4x square minus 5xy plus minus 6y square. Next 10x square minus 6x square plus 3y square, and next term is 3y square minus 4x square plus 2xy. We are adding these 3 terms. First of all, we write it in vertical position, and we write in such a way that we write similar terms or like terms in same positions. So first of all, first expression 4x square minus 5xy minus 6y square. In second expressions, we like similar terms. Second expression was this, minus 6x square write first, then 10xy second, and then 3y square. So write here minus 6x square plus 10xy plus 3y square. Similarly, from third expression, write first of all 4x square with minus sign, then 2xy, and then 3y square. Here we write in such manner that. Now start adding this. 3y plus 3y square, 6y square, and this is minus 6y square. So all these will be cancelled out. We get here just 0. So don't need to write here 0. And from here 10 plus 2, 12, 12xy. This is minus 5xy. 12 minus 5 is 7xy. And from here minus 6, minus 4. This will become minus 10. And from this 4, this will become minus 10 plus 4 is equal to minus 6. Or we can do it like this. This is positive 4x square and this is minus 4x square. Both these terms will be cancelled out and just we get this minus 6x square. So minus 6x square plus 7xy, this is required answer. Next, x square minus 2xy plus y square add into 2xy plus x square plus y square and 4x square minus xy plus y square and x square minus y square. You have to add here these 4 terms. So start adding these 4 terms. Here first term we write here this first term x square minus 2xy plus y square. Then second term like terms will below the like terms. Second term x square plus y square and 2xy. Right here x square plus 2xy plus y square. Similarly from here third term 4x square minus xy plus y square. Right here 4x square minus xy plus y square, and then this is the last term x square minus y square. Right here x square minus y square. Now start adding these terms. First of all, see, this is positive y square and this is negative y square. These two terms will be cancelled from each other. We get just these two terms, y square plus y square. So will become 2y square. And from here, this is minus 2xy and this is plus 2xy. So both these terms will be cancelled and just we get this minus xy. And from here, all these are positive terms, so we will add all these terms. 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 4 6, 6 plus 1 7. This is 7x square minus xy plus 2y square. So students, this part 1 of exercise 8a has been completed. Hopefully you have understood it in very better way. Thank you.